So what I do, as you can see, I have noted for this class when it started, when I switched to deck 2, which I switched to deck 2 pretty early, when we had a break, when I introduced deck 3, and then after that I'm sorry, hold on, I'm working. I actually do a lot of different things. I mix the decks, so after my acceleration, as you can see, has been pretty high. I am always in the 20s. I'm kind of constantly in the same area every single week. So what I do at the end is after I get to 6 days of each deck being at a 20 or higher with a 0 deceleration, I then mix the decks and proceed to hit a mastery criteria of I have to respond to the response of the question 3 times, and then I remove it from the deck so that I can attempt to get through every single card in the deck by the end of the class. From there, the last 2 weeks or the last week, I just sit there and try to do this over and over because my goal is an acceleration of 25 and my deceleration of 0. So every single time I've done this, I feel that I have a stronger acquisition of targets within SAF meds, because when I'm doing this, all I do is make sure that I actually touch or see every single card on a constant basis. So that's what I do. It's a lot different than other people. Hopefully that helps you guys out for any other classes, or this is how I study, because the other thing, the only studying I do is I use an auditory recording, and I keep all the auditory recordings that I've made since 620 and on, and I listen to them while I'm driving or while I'm sitting there doing something. And my auditory recording is the definition with a 2-second delay so that I can give the answer and then the provided response, the correct response. So if it said a supervisee that is accumulating 750 hours, I'd put a delay, and then I would say a BCABA. Then anyone that or an example of it of 5% supervision is required monthly with a delay to answer RBT, and that's so on and so forth.